the upper left side behind the lamp globe. I think we'll go ahead and model that with the red background mix without the toner. And then when we redo this, then we will set all of this underneath a coat of glaze. So this is one of the reasons that it's good to have your pattern on a transparency, but you don't want to lose that transparency in the middle of your filming. Okay, so I'm going to put this down, and you can check yourself and see I marked my places. I put my lines on my tracing but not on my piece, and you can see that my values are pretty much in the right places. Okay, so I'm putting this down because it's a little wet. I want to see where I think I'm going to pull this over just a little bit, because I do need for the lampshade to be on this side. I don't want it to be in the center. Now you can place yours in the center if you like. I believe that in our picture is just left of center, and that the space between the bottle and the lamp is center. So going by our photo, I'd say right there is about right. Okay. So I'm going to slip a piece of white graphite underneath the chimney. And very lightly I'm going to go over the chimney area with the ballpoint pen. Don't have to do all of that, you just need the basic shape. And this is where I'm going to slap this background, this lighter, this redder background mix that we made that does not have the toner, because this is behind the glass. So I'm just going to cover up my lines, because I'll trace that back on later. And I'm just going to slap it on. And then I'm going to take that mop and I'm going to soften the edges so that they just sort of blend away. Now later we may be coming back and pushing this background right up against the chimney, but for now it's good enough to just have that general area without the toner. Okay, I'm going to paint this again, and see, now I'm seeing some harsh lines, so but this time it won't be quite so transparent, and use some extender. I'm going to put some extender down this time so that I have better blending opportunities. Okay, we've already got our map on there. And I'm going to come in with my light value first. You do not have to be exact. Kind of feathering out the edges. Put it a little heavier here in the center. Got a mop brush hair there. A few of them. Alright, let's go into our medium. Kind of mixing a value somewhere between the medium and the light. Okay, I'm going to clean off my brush and I'm going to blend my edges. Then I'm going to come in with the mop and soften them up. Okay. And we'll go to our dark. Bring that up around. So if you don't wipe your brush when you're in the process of this blending, then you just push and paint around instead of blending. Let's go to the other side. Let's put on this dark. Pull back on your brush if you feel like you're getting too much pressure. Let's soften these edges. Just be careful you don't get into your light. I did. And I think if I find another mop brush, I might be able to brush most of that out. There we go. I'll put a little bit of the light on my mop brush, then I can work with that. Okay, so let's go back out here now. And then lastly, go back to the very dark and put these corners in. And as I come up around, I'm twisting and coming up just on that point of my angle as I come around here.